For listing agents and commercial brokers who specialize in high-end properties and equipment, we've developed a world-class video property tour package called the Prospect Magnet. It's a giant leap beyond anything you've ever seen. The Prospect Magnet is a revolutionary lead capture and conversion tool which dissolves the barriers of time and distance across the globe. It works equally well for a wide range of high-value assets, including real estate, aircraft, vehicles, watercraft, and industrial machinery. A big barrier to long-distance lead conversion is travel time and expense between the potential buyer and the property for sale. Motivating a prospect to make the long trip for a showing in person is the key to converting him from curious to closing. The Prospect Magnet allows you to reach out across the globe to a whole new market that would never have considered your listing without it. Drone services does not even begin to describe what we can do for you. We are multi-dimensional aerial photographers with highly sophisticated equipment and property imaging tools designed to expand your online market worldwide. We can build you property presentation videos and photography packages that you'll be proud to publish, knowing you have the most powerful and effective visual sales tools in the world. And everyone who watches them will know it. These high-performance, results-driven presentations are specifically engineered for sophisticated agents who expect more than just a bunch of drone shots. With the help of aerial experts, your information-dense video tour packages will contain appraisal-level content sufficient to make prospective buyers want to see your listing in person. This inevitably leads to faster, more frequent sales at higher prices, which is great for your reputation and your wallet. Our Prospect Magnet won't make every viewer close the deal, but it will bring many more of them to the negotiating table. The rest is up to you. You may be asking yourself, why can't I just use my drone or hire one? Drone shots are only useful for about 10% of a world-class video presentation package. Our superior custom-built equipment does the rest. You can't buy equipment like ours anywhere. It was specifically engineered and built by us to get all those specialized shots required for your leads to make full property, facility, and equipment evaluations. We've taken a revolutionary approach to video tours based on the limitations and misconceptions of drones. In the pursuit of excellence, our team has developed a radically different approach to prospective buyer psychology. For all you big-thinking visionaries out there, we've created a whole toolbox full of capabilities, strategies, and equipment, all designed for one purpose: to inexpensively create immersive, information-dense visual presentations that are better than being there in person. This isn't even remotely possible with today's off-the-shelf equipment. The Prospect Magnet is not some virtual reality gimmick requiring goggles or 3D screens. Our presentations immerse their online viewers into a three-dimensional world as they view a normal 2D screen, such as televisions or iPhones. Our video tours immediately impress the viewers as being far superior to any other presentation they've ever seen. They contain less emotional fluff and vastly more critical information needed to make an informed decision. We even include nearby landmarks and surrounding communities. After all, the buyer is buying into the local area too. Everyone else gives you just one video. A true prospect magnet consists of as many videos as needed, packed with all the information required for the viewer to take action. That usually ranges from 4 to 6 videos. Don't expect to pay any more for all 6 than you would pay someone else for one good video. You can thank our proprietary equipment for saving you all that money. After all, what good is a prospect magnet if you can't afford to use it? The first video is the most elegant and formal, but loaded with much more useful information than you are used to seeing and a well-written narrated script. Subsequent videos are technically simpler, feeding the prospect with the visual content he would most want to know about. I know what you're thinking. Who's going to watch all those videos? The first one will get the usual traffic, plus a boost from the fact that it's so fascinating to watch. The rest receive diminishing attention as the prospect magnet does its job filtering out the lookers from the buyers so you can spend your time working with only those most likely to close the deal. Our analytics show that the more serious the prospect, the more often they watch the videos. They are the ones who literally spend hours sponging up every detail. Prospect magnets are only designed for 3 small groups of people to watch: the ultimate buyer, serious competing prospects, and sellers who might choose to list with you. Now let's examine some of the components that make these video tours such a game changer. The first unique thing you'll notice is our exclusive boundary mode. Boundary mode is more than just property boundary overlays. We combine it with zoom hopping from our manned aircraft to ensure that viewers know their location at all times within the presentation. We also use location aerials to highlight the property's location relative to important landmarks and services in the area. Boundary mode is used in conjunction with appraisal mode to allow for a detailed property inspection from the viewer's home base worldwide. When the prospect eventually inspects the property in person, he'll be able to find any specific place just from having watched the video. Next, there's our exclusive appraisal mode. Appraisal mode is a proprietary application of strategies, equipment, and techniques for video property tours. It grabs the prospect's attention, heightens and holds their interest levels as it flies them up to and sometimes inside numerous points of interest. Appraisal mode provides viewers with massive amounts of visual information to allow them to study all the important details that they would inspect if they were there in person. Aerial Expert's mission has always been to sustainably tilt the playing field in favor of our clients. The prospect magnet does this in more ways than you might think. It's a win-win for buyer, seller, and agents. Watch the full-length examples that we've attached below and we think you'll say, "Now that's the way to show property."